According to a top health official, China will not be able to start lifting pandemic restrictions like the US, even though its inoculation campaign has gathered recent pace. Experts are attributing this to China's inability to measure the efficacy of its vaccines on a largely COVID-free population. The Deputy Director of China's Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Feng Zijian, has said that despite 40% Chinese having received at least one dose of the vaccine, the country is plagued by some unique difficulties. Zijian said that China is unable to match America's ability to examine vaccine efficacy in real time as cases and deaths have decreased. China has largely obliterated infections and only one COVID-19 fatality has been reported in the country in the last 13 months. This means it will be difficult to gauge if the vaccines are having an immediate impact. Feng said even if they try to reopen the country with 60% or 80% of the population getting vaccinated, in all probability it may still lead to a major outbreak. Feng, while addressing a conference at China's Qingdao, said that it largely depends on the technical considerations, societal consensus and political concerns. Even though Feng did not elaborate on technical considerations, there is not enough information to back China's vaccination and its efficacy. Whether the vaccine will be able to prevent onward transmission is yet to be ascertained, but messenger RNA shots have been able to curb both transmission and serious sickness, diminishing outbreaks in the US, Israel and other parts. China has kept its borders shut despite the mass inoculation campaign. Feng's comment signals that China intends to remain closed off even as major economies race to open up. Following large-scale vaccine efforts, China has deployed more than 704 million shots so far. However, officials are still undecided when it comes to opening up the country and have strict quarantine norms in place for foreign arrivals. Many countries with similar levels of vaccinations have started rolling back the restrictions, reopening borders and lifting the mask regulations as well. Feng said that China's only goal is to vaccinate all its citizens as of now, but health officials remain undecided on the rate of vaccination, based off which they can recommend easing the restrictions. Those considerations may change as more Chinese vaccines become available. Li Yunchun, the chief executive officer of Walvax Biotechnology Company, had said that he expects its mRNA shot to be as effective as the ones already deployed in Western countries. Advisor to China's government on COVID-19, Zhang Wenhong, has said that shots being used in China currently still have a long way to go in order to prove their efficacy. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.